morning everyone. The new sound that we are learning today is well done. Now I've got some pictures here that start with our new sound. Frog, frog, flower, flower, fairy, fairy, fish, fish. Well done. Now I am going to draw something for you, so watch very carefully. It's a flower. Flower. Well done. Next to the flower, I'm going to write our new sound. Flower. Well done. I've got a big sound card here. And on this side, it's our new sound. And on this side is our flower. So when you see this side, you're going to say flower. And when you see this side, you're going to say Are you ready? Well done. Let's get in the pack of sounds that we already know. Here it is. Let's hide it and let's see if you can find it. Are you ready? Well done, there it is. That's our new sound. Let's hide it again. See if you can spot it. Are you ready? There it is. Our new sound. Excellent. Well done, everybody. Now we are going to learn how to write our new sound. And we're going to use the flower to help us. We are going to go down the stem, take your pen off, and draw the leaves. Can you have a little go? Down the stem and draw the leaves. Have a try at that one. Well done. The next one we are going to have a go at is for kitchen. So we're going to go down the kangaroo's body, tail and leg. Have a try. Well done. Next, I want us to have a go at So remember, using the umbrella, we've got to go down and under, up to the top, draw the puddle. Practice that one. Well done. And last, we're going to have a go at that we learned last week. So ready? We remember our boots, because this one can be a little bit tricky, so watch carefully. You're going to go down the laces to the heel, round the toe. Have a go at that one. Well done. Now we have got Fred, and Fred is going to say some sounds. Remember, we've got to help him blend the words together. Are you ready? Fred says 3 sounds. He says n. Fun. Well done. Lots of fun. Can you pinch the sounds? N. Fun. Fantastic. Fred says at. Fat. Well done. Have a go. Fat. Excellent. Next, Fred says it. Fit. Well done. It fits in there. It one. Fred says 3 sounds again. He says f, a, n. Fan, well done. F, a, n, fan. Talking about fan, can you give yourselves a fantastic? Well done. Now we are going to have a go at writing some of our green words today. So I'm going to ask Fred the sounds. We're going to have a go at Fred talking, and then we're going to have a go at writing the word, okay? So let's see what Fred wants us to write. B-I-N. Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Let's have a go. Pinch those sounds. B-I-N. Bin. Well done. Can you have a go at writing it? Let's have a go then. Let's see if you got it right. Are you ready? B, down the laces to the heel, round the toe. B, I, well done. Down the insect's body and a dot for his head. B, I, N.